Yeah, more protection than you right now. Oh, beat up.
I'm losing control right now. Why did you use it? No!
Don't use that. Don't use it.
What are you actually doing?
Where's my
Why did you say that to me?
I don't know.
People are like,
At least they
how do you go? Yeah, this is a clam right here. Is this a clam?
Wait, what? Can you jump off, please?
Why?
You won the last one.
You want to win the last one as well?
I wanna win. And we're both dead.
Do this. Bro. We're the best team ever.
Yeah, we're the best. Don't jump. When I jump, you jump. Okay, ready? Why are you jumping with me? That's how you jump, just not moving at all.
I got one door.
I can't walk. Don't jump.
I literally got one door, dude. I literally got one door.
I got a flag.
Actually, look, I got one door. I
What?
literally got a door. Literally, that's all I got, a fucking door. That's literally the only fucking thing I only have, a door. What is the one thing?
As long as fuck.
Someone's game contest, Bill. Let me go. I guess you win.
Let's load in our boat. Let's load in our boat. It's gonna be retarded as fuck because and then no blade. There's not even one thing. Like almost nothing is like literally detached to this. Like okay, finally. Okay, time to upgrade. The end. Like what he was telling a story? Make it feel.
Why does he care about like if you didn't jump, you would be rich?
You would only get like 100 coins.
Really rich.
If you're rich, you would have millions of coins.
Not letting my friends dumb enough to do. Let me put 3 cents for it real quick.
Why does it look like a retarded Saurus?
Money.
Slime Mumia.
Alright.
Oh. I'm jumping as fast as I can.
Now who's gonna drive us?
Don't start it.
Okay.
If you do start, I'll be mad. I'll be bigger mad and mad.
Okay, I'm not gonna start. I'm not pressing the start button. You're adding something.
Right, just to make sure I don't fall down.
What my fancy can I got another one. Yeah, I want to
I have 3.
Yeah, we're both sunscreen users.
You guys are like couples for some reason. So are you cheating on me? Why is this game forcing me to sit down? Like, it's like, sit down, mother. Oh no. Should I drive? Say yes. No, say no. That was a quick.
Sunscreen.
Let me place the chair. Let me place chairs.
We are sunscreen users. We are sunscreen users. Oh my god, yes!
Let me save. You're probably like, what the fuck?
Sunscreen.
The Jet XD.
Why is that check right there?
It's for good luck. It's for good luck.
I can drive without the jet, actually.
I can. You wanna see the?
Jet right now.
What?
You see that red thing behind us? Yeah, that's just the jet.
I don't know why I press a block right there. Just look. Watch your jet. We were.
Well, we are dead.
Because you're not even sitting down on anything. You're the best. Adge. Adge. Oh my god, that gooey. Adge. We're gonna get to the end.
Yeah. Yeah, we're
I'm
gonna
not gonna-
get to the end. Yeah, but who's gonna take care of us? Yeah.
Yeah, who's gonna feed us food?
Who's gonna drive us to McDonald's?
Why would we need McDonald's?
So don't get hungry.
You do have a good point.
Wait, what?
Why is there a flying butterfly?